Heart of gold. Someone who is very kind, caring, and good inside. She helps everyone. She has a heart of gold. My grandmother has a heart of gold. Get hitched. To get married. They're getting hitched next week. My cousin got hitched last Saturday. On cloud 9. To feel very happy. He was on cloud 9 after getting the job. I was on cloud 9 when I passed the test. Play with fire. To do something risky or dangerous. If you drive fast on ice, you're playing with fire. Don't cheat in the exam. You're playing with fire. Lend a hand. To help someone. Can you lend a hand with the dishes? She lent a hand when I was moving boxes. Apple of someone's eye. A person that someone loves very much. His little son is the apple of his eye. His dog is the apple of his eye. Dead ringer. Someone or something that looks exactly like another person or thing. She is a dead ringer for her sister. The twin brothers are dead ringers. Cool as a cucumber. Someone who is very calm and relaxed. My dad is always cool as a cucumber. He was cool as a cucumber before the test. Iron out. To solve issues. We will iron out the mistake. He wants to iron out the issue. Giving someone an earful. To talk to someone angrily because they did something wrong. Dad gave us an earful after the fight. She gave her brother an earful for breaking her phone.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!